In this ArcMap demonstration, we're going to show how to add X and Y data from a table. So, to begin with, we'll take a look at the table we're going to add. This is an Excel spreadsheet, and it's important that it be in its basic form and not that of a spreadsheet, that of a data table with headings across the top. We have 4 here: type, description, easting, and northing. And then for each record contained in the data set, each of those fields is filled in, and the important thing is that there is an easting and a northing. The easting being the X coordinate and the northing being the Y coordinate. So we'll get rid of that for now. Alright, so to add that, all we simply do is come here and click File, then Add Data, and then Add X and Y Data. So we click that, and the Add X and Y Data window opens up, and here we need to select the table. So I'm going to browse to the table, so I can go in here and pick a location. This is the table I'm going to add. Just click Add now. And because Excel spreadsheets have more than one sheet contained in each file, or in most cases they do, we need to pick the one we want. In this case, it's tramping points. So I'll click Add. Now we have to make sure that we pick the X field, in this case the easting, and the Y field, the northing. And we do not have a Z field, which is elevation. And we could click OK right now and add it, or we can go in here and edit the coordinate system if we know what coordinate system it was in. So in this case, I'm going to select one from predefined coordinate systems, and I'm going to go with projected coordinate system and UTM, and add 83. And I'm looking for zone 14 north, and click Add. And now I can go OK. Again, you could have skipped the coordinate system and just left it as unknown, and it would have worked. And now we click OK, and it's just telling me that the table I specified does not have an object ID field, so it will not be able to select, query, or edit features in the resulting layer or define relates for them. After you create this layer, you can export it to a shape file or feature class if you need these functions. Alright, so we're going to do that just in case. It's nice to do it, then you never run into any problems. So now we have it. It adds it as the events layer. And I've already done this once before, that's why you'll see it down here as well. So now I'm just going to right mouse click on that, go Data, Export Data, and this is so I can make a copy of it, a shape file that we won't run, if we use, we won't run into any problems. So you need to browse to the location where you want to put it. I'm going to put it on my desktop. I'm just going to call it junk and hit save and OK. And now it creates a shape file of that. Asks me if I want to add it as a layer to my map. I'll say yes. And now I have that junk shape file. So again, that's all there is to adding the X and Y. You don't have to convert it to a shape file, but I just did so, or I recommend you do so you don't run any problems if you're trying to edit that layer later on. That's it.